Hello, this is John, and welcome to another food review with me. Today, I want somewhere that I don't have to explain, because it might be confusing if you've seen some of my other videos before. So, in the past, I've been to this place called Fatso's Last Stand, in which I got a Fatso Burger and a char dog. Today, I'm going to a place called Fatso's. It has no connection or relation to Fatso's Last Stand. But they do call their burgers Fatso Burgers, and they call their hot dogs Fatso Dogs. Now, I got a single Fatso Burger, and this is how big it is. It's like humongous. So, on a single Fatso Burger, I believe there are French fries, onion rings, and bacon. Yeah, there's onion rings, French fries. Not sure if you can see the bacon in there. Underneath there's the bacon. And you got your cheeseburger. And it looks like your regular lettuce, mayonnaise kind of stuff on the bottom. So there's the single Fatso, and I'm going to give it a taste and tell you what I think about it. Alright, here we go. I think I got a little of everything in that bite. A lot of stuff to chew down. Now this is definitely not going to leave you hungry. However, the fries in it kind of like suck up all the moisture in your mouth. So, tastes good, but it's a little bit on the dry side, just because of the fries. And it cost, just for a single, with everything on it, $7.20. So you get a lot of food, but it costs about as much as you think. Ordering some fries and some onion rings with your burger. The meat patty is good, toppings are good, just the fries on the sandwich kind of dry it out a little bit. I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of 10. Definitely prefer the Fatso Burger from Fatso's Last Stand, much juicier. Now here is the Fatso Dog. Holy crap. As you can see, looks like it's wrapped up. Not a traditional hot dog bun. Almost like a tortilla that's been deep fried, and the whole thing's cut in half. I'm just going to grab one of these halves and show you cross section here. So you can see there's two hot dogs, one here and one there. Some fries. I think there's chili and cheese in here, and maybe some peppers. And this one was $7.69. So this is a little bit more expensive. You get two hot dogs, fries, chili, cheese. Let's give it a shot. Whoa. Much more flavor going on in that than a burger. There's like sliced jalapenos in there. And I think the sauce inside of there is like a nacho cheese sauce and chili. So you get a lot of spiciness to it. But I think I bit through one of those slices of jalapenos and just got a mouthful of spice. Even though there's lots of fries in here, it's not as dry, just because all the sauce in here is mixed really well. And there's bacon in here too. Okay. Well, this is definitely not your traditional hot dog of any style that I've seen before. I've never seen a hot dog wrapped in a tortilla and deep fried. The outside is nice and crisp. It doesn't fall apart. The hot dogs are really nice inside of there. I'm not sure if they're all beef or what, but I think they're Vienna all beef, if I had to judge by the flavor. But again, a huge portion. This time, not dry at all. Really like this one. I'm going to give this Fatso Dog a 8.5 out of 10. If I had to compare this to the Char Dog, it'd be very hard because they're so different of products. It's hard to compare this to any hot dog I've ever seen, just because it's very different from anything. Like how, let me know if you've ever been to a place where you could get a hot dog wrapped in a tortilla that was deep fried. And stuff with chili, cheese, and jalapenos and whatnot. Anyway, this location, I think they only have one location. It's in Oak Lawn, Illinois, on 95th Street, just off of Cicero Avenue. And the Fatso's Last Stand, they're all in the city of Chicago, more north on, I think, Chicago and Oakley is the cross section. But anyway, very hard to compare the two places. They both have a different thing going for them, and they're both pretty good. If you were going to go try anything at the Fatso's here in Oak Lawn, I would recommend the Fatso Dog over the Fatso Burger. And anyway, that's all I got to say for this one. Until next time, goodbye.